Hi everyone, I am Indin Kadit Soriano and I discuss the technology advancement in marine environmental protection. Several innovative technologies are significantly improving compliance with marine environmental protection regulation. This advancement enhance monitoring, enforcement, and overall understanding of ocean health, leading to more effective conservation effort. The first one is enhanced monitoring and data collection. First example is satellite telemetry and marine megafauna tracking. Affordable open source satellite telemetry devices are being developed to track marine animal like sea turtle, providing crucial data on their migration pattern, habitat use, and interaction with human activities. This allow for better identification of areas requiring protection and help assist the effectiveness of conservation measures. The second example is underwater landscape mosaics. High-resolution underwater photogrammetry creates detailed images of coral reef, allowing scientists to precisely monitor coral health, biodiversity, and structural integrity over time. This technology provides crucial data for evidence-based decision-making and targeted conservation strategies. Third example is autonomous vessel. Cell drones and other autonomous solar-powered vessels collect real-time, high-quality ocean data, including information on weather pattern, ocean current, and marine life. This data is essential for forecasting hurricane intensity, informing sustainability fisheries management, detecting oil spill, and understanding climate change impact on ocean ecosystem. Last example is Global Fishing Watch Marine Manager. This online portal combines satellite data with information of marine biodiversity, oceanographic condition, and human activities, providing a comprehensive view of what's happening in marine protected areas. This allows managers to evaluate compliance with regulation, monitor fishing activity, and identify risks to endangered species. Let's proceed to improve enforcement and bycatch reduction. First example is smarter fishing nets. High-tech troll net can identify and catch specific fish species, reducing bycatch. Unintentional capture of non-target species. This improves fishing sustainability and reduces the mortality of non-target marine life. Second example is selective fishing light. LED light fitted to fishing gear can attract target species while deterring other. Further minimizing bycatch. This technology helps fishermen comply with regulation and fish more sustainably. Last example is underwater cameras. Robust underwater cameras provide real-time visual monitoring of fishing gear, allowing for better assessment of bycatch mitigation method and overall fishing practices. Proceed to addressing specific environmental challenges. First example is ocean-based carbon removal. Technologies like planetary technologies, direct ocean capture methods safely remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigate ocean excuse me, acidification. This addresses a major threat to marine ecosystem. Last example is waste removal technologies. Autonomous robotic devices like Clearboat and WishShark collecting floating waste, plastic and algae from the water surface, reducing pollution and improving water quality. These technologies are not only improving compliance with existing regulation, but also shaping future marine conservation strategies by providing more accurate data, enhancing enforcement capabilities, and offering innovative solutions to presenting environment challenges. The ongoing development and implementation of these technologies are crucial for ensuring the long-term health and sustainability of our ocean. That's all. Thank you.